Welcome to another Network Guru TikTok tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name on TikTok. Wherever you want to update your displayed name or your name has changed, by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to do it. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and give it a like, as that really helps me out. To change your name on TikTok, start by opening the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then navigate to your profile by selecting Profile in the bottom right of the menu. Once on your profile, select Edit Profile. In the Editing menu, choose Name and then enter your new desired name. Keep in mind that you can only change your name on TikTok once every 7 days, so make sure you are happy with your choice. After entering your new name, click Save in the top right corner. Then you return to your TikTok profile. You should see that your name has been updated. If it hasn't changed immediately, try closing the TikTok app and reopening it. Your name should be updated when you navigate back to your profile. And that's it. That's how you change your name on TikTok. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. And thank you so much for watching.